Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I'm working on a Sony A7R2 camera that when you turn the camera on, it makes a buzzing noise and then displays an error message on the display saying, "Camera error, turn power off, then on." The customer said that his camera has had a lot of use and wasn't surprised to see problems with his beloved Sony camera. I found that there was a problem with the shutter and MB charge unit, and both parts needed to be replaced. When replacing the shutter and MB charge unit, we used new parts sourced directly from Sony. After installing the new shutter and MB charge unit, it's now time to put the camera back together for testing. As you can see, the shutter is working perfectly now. If you have any questions about having your Sony A7R Mark II camera repaired, please give us a call or visit our website at video1repair.com.